and welcome back to another Djerf Avenue video on my channel. So I have made few Djerf Avenue purchases recently and I couldn't wait to show you what I got, to review it, show you sizing, how it fits, all in all to help you in a way to figure out what size you will need, to see if it's worth the money, if the quality is good enough, and I'll be showing you that in this video. As always, everything will be linked down below, and if it's out of stock, make sure that you're subscribed to Djerf Avenue's wishlist, and if enough people are signed up for the wishlist, they do restocks upon wide request from the audience. Also, I would much appreciate it if you like and subscribe to my channel. I occasionally do Djerf Avenue hauls because that's my favorite brand and I do stand behind it and I recommend it to everybody I know. I do different fashion hauls, videos, most of the time related to fashion, so yeah, if you're a fashion junkie like me, please subscribe. So the first thing that I got from Djerf Avenue is something that they recently released, and it's the Lavender Tube top, which is very cute and it does match with everything in my wardrobe. So it is a little bit of unusual length to it because you know you have the crop tops, you have longer ones, but what Matilda decided to do in this case is to make it somewhere in between, which I think is very nicely because you can actually tuck it into your pants, but it's not that much fabric left over. It's like this much that's tucked in inside and it does sit very nicely. The color is actually to die for, and that's, I think, my favorite color at the moment, so I've been wearing it quite a lot and with everything, and it's just a basic piece that you can build up your wardrobe with and use it time after time after time. And also they do have this one in white and black at the moment. I believe the black is in stock, but like I said, subscribe to their wishlist and you never know when it's gonna launch again, and yeah. And the second thing I finally managed to get my hands on is the Pink Breezy Shirt. I have been dying to have this one for so long and it's actually out of stock at the moment on their website, but an angel sent from heaven, she wanted to sell this beautiful shirt because she didn't get much wear out of it, because I think she has the blue one and the white one. So she always reaches out for them and she doesn't get the needed wear out of this one, so she decided to sell it, and that was my lucky day because I have been searching everywhere for this color and I wanted it so badly and I finally found it. I just think that there are other ways besides buying dupes to have what you want, and that's the case with this one because I did buy it secondhand from another girl. So this shirt is the cutest thing ever. It has a boxy cut and it is made to sit oversized, and this one is a size small as I wanted it to be a little bit oversized, so I went for my usual size. We'll see how it sits, but it is very lovely. It's like that pink stripy material, white and pink stripes. It has a little pocket on the side. Yeah, so if you can see it, it says Djerf Avenue on it, which is very cute, and if I manage to get the matching shorts as well, I would, but for now I am very happy with having the shirt. So let's try them on and talk a little bit more about them. So I will be pairing them both with the favorite pants in black, and if you want to see a more detailed video about comparison and between the black and the grey favorite pants, just check out this video that I've made a while ago. But let's continue with the tops. So that's the Lavender Tube on, and like you can see, it does match very nicely with the pants, and it's something that's very basic and would go with everything that you wear. So let's look closely into the actual top. So first of all, I'm not the biggest chested girl, but I have seen other girls with bigger ladies wearing that top and it does sit very nicely as well. So that's how much of a boob I have, and that's the shape that this top creates, which is very nice. And I'm not wearing any bra, but if you do wish to wear a bra with it, that's no problem at all. And this section over here, from here to here, is double lined, so there's not excess nipple going through. It's not see-through at all, and also it does sit very nicely. It's not moving anywhere. I bet you can do even different workouts and it's still not going to move anywhere, and that's because of this thing over here. It does have a silicone strap which goes all the way and it just makes it not move anywhere. So that's what the material looks up close. It does feel very nicely, very soft. It does feel very gentle to the body, which is amazing. It does remind me a bit of the fabric that you have like your beach towel from, but better, of course. And let me show you the length of it now. Like I said, it's a mid-length and that's where it reaches. So that's where the pants end and that's where the actual top reaches, which is like this much needs to be tucked in, which creates a very nice shape, very nice figure when you tuck it in. It goes seamless and that's what we want. And if you wish, I've seen Matilda does it, so she doesn't actually tuck it in, she just like makes it like scrambles it like that or whatever it's called, and she just wears it freely over anything and it just looks very cute, very nice, very put together and very easy to wear. So I would definitely recommend, if you want something basic that you know that's going to fit your wardrobe with everything, to buy one of the tube tops. So now let's try on the pink shirt. So that's the shirt on and I am so excited because I literally have been looking everywhere. I keep refreshing on Depop and everywhere somebody is selling it and now it's mine. Okay, so let's talk about the shirt, how it feels and everything. So it is organic cotton if I'm not wrong, and it does feel very nicely on the body. It feels like it's a little bit thicker material, and I mean thicker material in a good way. It's not see-through at all, like I'm not wearing a bra at the moment either. Let me show you the shirt how it is without it being tucked in. I just like it tucked in because I like the look of it. So that's how the shirt actually sits on me, and it is very boxy, it is very oversized, and that's the look I personally was going for. But if you do like to size down, let's say, you can always order a size smaller if you don't want to have like that much of a boxy fit. But the actual shirt is made out to be like boxy and oversized, you know, just so you can feel like free in it and do all your activities with happiness and comfy clothes. But enough of this, let's talk about the actual shirt. So, like I said, first of all, boxy fit. However, what I like about this shirt specifically, compared to other ones, like the one that I have tried in Mango, the lilac-y one, it was very nice. It had a boxy fit, however, it was so long that it reached like up to here and you cannot tuck it in or anything because it looked stupid. It was a nice shirt, but not good enough. But with Djerf Avenue, you have the oversized boxy fit, but the length is very nice as well, and you actually have this opening over here which makes it even more flexible to style in different ways, and it doesn't have to like sit stiff on you, and you can still move around and allow any type of activity to go along while wearing your comfiest of clothes. So they have also looked at all the details. They have the Corozo buttons. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but that's them. You can see like how oversized of a fit it is. It does go like almost up until the end of my fingers, which I kind of like. I was always the one at school that does like that with all her clothes, and then all my sleeves would get like stretched and everything, so I like having a bit of length on my arms, and that just does it for me. But it's out of stock at the moment, like I said, but they occasionally launch the Breezy set in blue as well, and also they are launching this summer a completely black Breezy set, which might be something that you like. All in all, I am in love with this shirt and I'm definitely gonna get a lot of wear out of it. Even Sammy, my dog, approve of it. Like, I'm gonna show you a picture. It's very cute. Like, I put it for a second on the sofa and guess what? He decided to go and sleep on it. darlings, that's the end of this video. I hope it has been helpful for you, but if you do have any additional questions, don't hesitate to ask me. You can ask me in the comments down below, or you can even message me on Instagram. I have this one, which is my personal one. You can message me there, or you can go to How to Style Djerf Avenue, which is a page that I'm running as well, and you can ask me any questions about sizing, about anything, or if you just want to chat. I hope you've enjoyed this kind of video because I do love Djerf Avenue. I stand behind the brand completely and I always recommend it, and I'll keep recommending it. They do have very good quality. I have worn all their items that I have like time after time after time again, and they're always the clothes that I reach out the most for because they're the most comfortable, but they do look very chic and very put together all together. So don't forget to subscribe. I love you all, stay safe, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye!